Good morning, guys. It is 8. It's finals week. I have an exam and a final exam this week. I'm gonna go to the library at my school right now to study for those. But first I'm gonna get Starbucks. I'm gonna try the gingerbread oat milk chai. For today's outfit, I'm just wearing a new Bangchan sweatshirt and this khaki pleated-ish skirt. Whoa. I was only able to do like 3.5 hours at the library, so I'm gonna do the rest of my studying right now. Final exam, and exam has a lot of things on it, so my brain's kind of like, but it's okay. Okay, I need to do a little haul. Oh, it was like Cyber Monday recently, and as a desk aesthetic person, I've been wanting that D-Boom speaker that every desk aesthetic girl has. I finally got a D-Boom speaker. I have Lino set up. All the Stray Kids characters. And then from Temu, I got Kuromi ears. Now we match. These are erasers, but I got them to decorate my desk. A Cinnamoroll and a Kuromi. So big. And during winter break, I will be doing this. It's like a fake Lego set of Kuromi. I got Hyunjin's Jinret keychain. I've been obsessed with Minsung content. So I got Minsung, I got Lino and Han. I'm so obsessed with them. It's not even funny. Like, if you know, you know. Got Lino and Bangchan keychains. So this is a Miniso cup that my mom and I found. It's so cute. But this latte is pretty good. I just don't think it's strong enough caffeine wise, but Okay, I just finished the exam study guide and the final exam study guide. Now I'm just gonna annotate them, and then I'm gonna do a lot of Quizlets and application questions for the rest of the night. Bro, I am so tired, and it's only 6:30. I want to like have at least 6 hours of sleep so that I can like my brain can function, but I already know that's not happening, knowing me. So I'm gonna take a 30-second, not minute nap. Okay, I finished annotating. I'm gonna do Quizlets in my bed. You guys saw me have egg bites today and my latte, and now this, and that's it. Nursing school life. Look how cute these are. I don't know which one to take today. I'm gonna go get my blood drawn, and then right after I'm gonna go eat sushi with my best friend Bia. She's gonna literally graduate tomorrow, but I can't go to her graduation because I have clinical. Like, why did they schedule 3rd semester to have clinical the day 4th semester graduates? Like, what? So I'm gonna celebrate with her today, and I got her some gifts, which I'll show you guys. It's so cute. By the way, I'm wearing contacts. These are new. I never wore these ones before. I always wore like a lighter blue ones, but guys, look. I got her a cinnamon roll bouquet. Like, look how cute. And I'm gonna put it in this My Melody bag with her other gifts. Like, come on now. I love how everyone in my life is a samurai ho. I have cinnamon roll and Minaret, Hyunjin's little character, on my bag today. I kind of got it. Okay. This is mayonnaise burger. It's not that. It's like a skinny part. Unlock. Oh. Oh my god.
It gets closely.
Okay. It's a pin.
Stop.
It's for your photo card.
Oh, it's so good.
Anna, right? Or something? Good morning, guys. I have an exam. I got ready, did my makeup and my hair today. I'm also gonna add this necklace. It's a star.
Did you even study, ma'am? Go, ma'am. Go. Thanks. Evan, where's the pink one? You're yanking it? No. Hey, stop it. Wait, you're done too?
Wait, I was like,
I just got home. I'm so tired. And yes, I have my Stray Kids albums now. I unboxed it on my reel in depth. So if you guys want to check it out on nanaa.studyy, you guys can watch it there, but I'll show you guys the photo cards and some things. I love it. I got 2 of them from Choice Music and the rest from Target. These are the freebies that Choice Music gave. Lena with an apple and Hyunjin with the lollipop. We got Bangchan and Seungmin, which by the way, these are the only photo cards I have of them in this entire Rockstar pile. These huge freebies. Also, another thing, they all come with Polaroids of the members, the maknae line and the young line. And tell me why in all 4 albums I got the maknae line, no young line. So again, no Bangchan. Bangchan, Changbin, and then this Hyunjin one with the lollipop, which I will get in a sec. And Changbin, IN, Hyunjin, and Han. I think this one's my favorite album out of all 3 versions because of the pictures inside. Like, it's so pretty. What? Like, come on now. I got a duplicate. Like, how does that happen? Are you kidding me? It's Hyunjin holding a freaking heart to his face. Finally, I got my bias, but it's not a photo card. It's a postcard, which is fine. I got a big version of him. Film card, postcard. It's so pretty. A duplicate of Changbin and Bangchan. And we have Lena with the peace sign. I got 3 of their solo ones. Hyunlix. Felix and Hyunjin, and he has 2 face hearts. You wouldn't believe what photo cards I got in this Lino one. I got Minsung. The couple that I sip over the most. I'm not shipping like as a literal relationship, but these are soulmates. The way they look at each other, the way they love each other. If no one looks at me the way Lino looks at Han and the way that Han looks at Lino, I don't want it. They're both holding a peace sign. He looks like a prince for real. Also, out of all the posters, this one's my favorite one. It's so full. Few assignments to turn in right now. They're due Saturday, but I did them last week and I finished them, but I'm like too scared to turn it in, so I'm just gonna go over them right now. just got ready. My parents and I are gonna go have some egg puffs. I don't know what it's called, but I'll show you. This is my outfit. I'm wearing the star, gray top, leather jacket, and a long black skirt.
Okay. And mine is the region. Sugar bubble. Yes. Okay.
Cheers are my aesthetic.
Specialty. Ang in-order mo yan now? Like waiting. Pwede yun.
Today is my final exam. It has a lot of things, but I think I studied enough. And then right after the exam, my class and I are gonna have a potluck inside the class. I baked some quiche last night. I'll show you guys right now. And then I don't know what's gonna happen after. I think we're gonna have lunch. But I'm wearing this Christmas sweater-ish, like a 90s black mini skirt. And then I put some tights, which has this warm, furry material inside, so I'm not really cold. And then if I go out later, I'm gonna bring this purse so I don't have to bring my whole backpack. I baked quiche last night. I hope this is enough for my classmates. Here it is. Cheese and spinach and ham and cheese.
Oh my god! Look what Emma got me! Oh my god! Diane! The way we looked at it! Oh shit! Thank you! Yeah!
Alright guys, I just got home. I didn't do that well on the final exam. It was really hard for a lot of us. Once we finished the test, we were all like, that was hard. Like, why was that so hard? But we all passed. My whole class passed. So we're moving on to 4th semester. We're gonna graduate soon in 6 months. And oh, my clinical classmate Emma got me a gift for like what's gonna happen in a few days, but she got me this Sanrio sweater. It has all the characters. It has Kpop, Pomapurin, 2 shades of pink, 1 light and 1 dark. Thank you, Emma. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet.
There you go, Max.